Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will start by locking prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, choose your exact niche, lending, payments, advisory, because each path has different licenses and capital needs. Once decided, register your business entity and obtain an EIN, then open a dedicated business bank account to separate funds. Make sure you schedule required exams and background checks now, and draft a simple compliance checklist so you can track filings, net capital, and fiduciary duties as you proceed. Next, you assemble the operational core. Create a minimum viable product that covers your essential customer flows, onboarding, payments, underwriting, or portfolio management, and implement secure data handling and audit trails. Simultaneously design and document a compliance program, KIC, AML, transaction monitoring, and record retention. Recruit licensed staff or contractors for regulated functions, and integrate accounting, CRM, and risk models. Make sure cybersecurity controls meet regulatory expectations. Without them, you will stall licensing approvals. When you launch, start with a controlled pilot to validate economics, measure CAC, LTV, and default or loss rates, and iterate quickly. Once pilot data supports scaling, submit final license applications, meet capital and insurance requirements, and automate regulatory reporting. Scale your operational controls through periodic audits, stronger tech, and partner integrations. If things go wrong, run a root cause review, pause intake, fix controls, notify regulators if required, and document corrective actions to restore trust and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.